Today we're introducing three of our products and how they combine together. And the first one is our Bluetooth music receiver wall plate, which means that it can be set up in wall. Okay. And then the second one is our audio extender over CAT5, so you can see the CAT5 cable. It's pretty long, so I can describe that later. The audio extender, it is a pair, so the first one, it is connected on the back side of the wall plate, and then the second one comes out of from our brush wall plate. Okay, so the brush wall plate is also our products. So the other audio extender comes out from the brush wall plate. Okay, and then the audio extender is connected to our audio amplifier. Okay, so the audio amplifier, which means that it's connected with the speakers. Okay, so from here we can see there are two wall plates. The first one is our music receiver, and the second one is our brush wall plate. So it means that on the back side, which means this cable, it means that it is inside the wall, and then the outside, which means that it is outside the wall. Okay, so why we're going to set up this whole set is because it may be under the condition of there are some home decorating. They already have the speakers, they already set up the speakers, they might already set up the amplifiers, and then they need a music receiver with long range. So in this condition, we are using our audio extender to connect our music receiver to the audio amplifier and the speakers also. Okay, so now we're testing our audio extender to see if they can fit with the music receiver and the amplifier. And the spec of our audio extender says that the maximum length is about 75 meters. But since we already have the 60 meters CAT5 cable on our hand, so today we're showing you this whole CAT5 cable. It is 60 meters. Okay, so now we're going to see if this can work together. So now you can see that the power is on and the Bluetooth is connected with the cell phone already. So now I'm not going to show you how to connect the cell phone to the music receiver right now. If you're wondering how to connect together, you can see the other video. Maybe we can put that in our description. Okay, so now from this Bluetooth status, the LED light is on, so it means that it is connected already. So now we're just playing the music. Okay, so it is connected. Okay, and then now we play the song. Okay. Okay, so now we can see that although using 60 meters of CAT5 cable with our audio extender, the sound quality is almost the same. I wouldn't say completely the same because it is through the CAT5 cable. It is not connected directly, but it's almost the same sound quality as the receiver connected to the amplifier. Okay, so now we play again. Okay, so now we know that with using the 60 meters of CAT5 cable with our audio extender, our Bluetooth music receiver, and our amplifier and our audio extender, they can work together. Thank you.